Welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll explore a practical dataset to learn key 10 Excel functions. Let's start by multiplication. Multiplication is key in calculating total sales. For each product, we multiply the price by the quantity sold. Drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, and Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. Let's calculate total sales using some function. Type equals sum and select the range that you want to get total value. Then press enter to calculate the sum of all values in the range E2 to E11. Okay. Let's calculate average total sales using average function. Type equals average and select the range, E2, E11, that you want to get average value. Let's calculate discount amount. Type this formula in the cell where you want the discount amount to appear, then press enter to calculate the discount based on the total sales and discount percentage. Here, total sales is E2, and discount percentage is F2. Drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, and Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. Now, let's apply discounts to our total sales using subtraction. Subtract the discount amount from the total sales to find the net sales. Drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to the rest of the row. Ranking is a great way to compare products based on their performance. Let's calculate rank for each product. Type equals rank. Then, E2, this is the value you want to rank. Then select the range. Note that this is the range of values that the formula considers for ranking. The dollar signs make the range absolute, meaning it won't change if the formula is copied to other cells. Then press enter to calculate the rank of the product. Drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows. The count function helps us count the number of products in the dataset. Type equals count. Select the product ID range. Close the brackets. Press enter. We have calculated the total number of products. Let's calculate minimum of total sales. The min function helps us find the minimum of sales. Type equals min, select the total sales range. Close the brackets. Then press enter to calculate minimum of the sales. Finally, let's calculate the maximum of total sales. The max function helps us find the maximum of sales. Type equals max, select the total sales range. Close the brackets. Press enter. We have calculated the maximum of total sales. Thanks for watching. In this video, we turned raw data into actionable insights using essential Excel functions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.